The eyes of all cheats are full of tears. When the ass was invited to the wedding feast, he said, "They need more wood and water." Why would you use poison if you can kill with honey? He who heeds the first word of his wife must listen forever to the second. A brave man seldom is hurt in the back. Two things rule the world: reward and punishment. Clean your own yard first before asking others to clean theirs. Who lies to you will lie against you. During the battle, you cannot lend your sword to anyone. Don't be misled by the tears of a beggar. A tree does not grow from the sky. When an ant gets wings, it loses its head.